Mom with the first fish. First fish of pre-Thanksgiving Eve here.
Tell him to move out of the way, I'm fishing.
Alright, see that sucker? Oh yeah, it's a keeper. Keep on going.
Oh! Here it comes, the big fish. Oh my God, look at the size of that puppy. There it is. There it is.
It's not a keeper, but it's a nice big fish.
Oh, look at that.
It might be actually. No, it's not.
I'm exhausted. Hold it up. Oh, look at that. Take a picture. Oh my God. Look at that.
There you go. Great, just film it. Still say recording.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Mom's first fish.
Focus your light up. That's it. Yay! I'm going to turn it this way. I hope you don't mind.
Do that.
Perfect.
All right. Cool.
Nice.
Oh, what a shame. No bummer about getting some fish right off the bat. Yeah.
Now I'm warmed up. I guess so.
All right, Pat. Big one. Bring it on. Let's come on over here.
Walk right behind me, okay? Walk right behind me, Pat.
What do you say?
Walk over here. Good job.
Oh, look at him! I don't know.
They're all good.
Is it a keeper?
No.
Nah. Barely was waiting on that. Yeah.
Hold that up next to her there, Bob. There you go. Pat number 2's fish. Good job. Say bye-bye. You want to kiss him goodbye?
He's mesmerized.
Come on. Bring that hog in.
Okay, this is some of you right here, okay?
He's big enough for me to put this camera down when it gets close. Thanksgiving. It's no app.
He's holding up the camera bigger, but they're not as fast as in the Chesapeake. You see how, I mean, they're lean.
They're definitely lean. They taste good though.
I know, but yeah, better probably, but they are kind of lean.